Hey guys, Nick here, Pond Department Manager for Fairfield Garden Center. Any questions or any topics you would like me to cover on YouTube, please drop it in the comment section below, or you could always email me. My email address will be at the end of this video. I just wanted to quickly talk about today installations of ponds and the different options that you have. The first one I'm going to talk about is a plastic preform liner, and I'll create another video for the rubber liner. But today will be about preforms. So preform ponds are one of the simpler options that are out there. It's a plastic shaped pond where it's already shaped out to what you want it to be, whether it's a circle, square, kidney shape, dog bone shape. They come in various sizes and shapes. Ones we carry usually only go up to about 250 gallons or so. They're 18 inches deep. They're good for a small amount of fish. You could always put a lot of plants in something like that. And most people think that they are a little easier to install. Any of these installations, whether it's a preform pond or a rubber liner pond, if you don't do it properly, it can become more difficult. The one key piece of advice I will always tell customers about preform ponds is dig an extra 2 feet around the shape of the pond. So if the pond ends here, you want to dig it out much farther here. What that'll do is it'll give you plenty of room to kind of shimmy the pond in. Once it's in, make sure everything is level. You might have to take the pond back out and re-level it. You want to make sure the whole thing is level. Too much water to one side or the other over time can actually create a leak or a crack in the pond, where you're going to have to either patch it up or install a new pond or drop a whole new liner into the pond. Once it's dug out, once it's even and level, you take all that dirt that's around the pond and just backfill it back in, really tamp it in nice and tight so there's no possible issues with that. If it's not packed in properly, in a bad rainstorm, it could pop out very easily and then you'd be chasing after your pond, which I'm sure no one wants to do. But that's pretty much the basics on that. If you come to the garden center, we have a magazine that'll actually walk you step by step through the building process if you're doing a pre. Any questions, you can always email me directly, nick@fairfieldgardencenter.com. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. If you'd like to sign up for our emails for any special offers, please go to fairfieldgardencenter.com. Thanks and have a great day.